Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily repair damaged drywall by skim coating. This area has a water bubble that blistered the paint and texture. I'm going to show you how to remove it and also how I go about priming the area. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you a preview of how I'm going to match the stomp texture in part 7 of this video series. I'll leave a link to the water damage video series in the description down below. I'll show you how I tore out the ceiling. I'll also show you how I got a perfect cut by tracing out a new piece of drywall over the repair, how to add a furring strip, how to attach the drywall, how to use a fiber fused drywall tape. I'm going to go from the middle and out, and then just tear it on your knife. How to speed up the drying process. I even showed you how to do the second coat, get a nice finish with a skim coat over the repair. I even showed you how to mix the skip trowel texture and how to apply the skip trowel texture. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description for the whole video series playlist. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, and painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Let's get into this video. All right, we got one more. It's a small area on the wall. It's just kind of blistered up. So I'm gonna scrape that back and see what's going on. We're thinking hopefully we'll be able to prime it with some Kilz, skim coat it, and then match the texture. All right, so I'm just gonna take a razor knife and cut it back and hopefully be able to stop this from peeling too far back. I'm gonna use my mud pan to catch most of this debris. Basically, you just want to remove any loose or bubbled areas of texture and paint. Alright, so I'm going to hit this spot with Kilz because it's kind of a dusty surface. It lost the adhesion with the paint and texture, so I'm going to seal it up with this. I always recommend sealing up a water damaged area with either Kilz or guards prime. Alright, so I'm moving a little fast because I've got some 20-minute quick set joint compound already mixed up that I mudded the ceiling repair with. So I'm just using the same mud and skimming out the first coat over where I just sprayed the Kilz. You just want to apply the mud nice and smooth over the area. You don't want to pull all the mud off either. You want to leave some mud so you're not going to have to keep coating over this. So just keep a clean area and let it dry. It'll be ready for a second coat in about 15-20 minutes. I'll leave a link in the YouTube card above to a video where I show you how to mix 20-minute mud. Okay, so first coat's dry. I'm hitting it again with the second coat of 20-minute mud. You can use an all-purpose joint compound. It's just going to take a little longer to dry. This project right here, I can be done with the whole repair and matching the texture probably in about 4 hours. So there's the second skim coat. I'm going to scrape it a little bit and also caulk that corner. Stay tuned for part 7 where I show you how I match the stomp texture. I'll show you what tools I use, how I applied the joint compound, and also my technique for matching the stomp texture. Leave me a hashtag DrywallTube in the comments if you made it this far in the video. And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below. Thanks so much for watching.